Hey guys, Eric here with MarketGod Trading, bringing you a quick tutorial on how to get started with the new version of MarketGod. I launched it today as well as throughout the last week, and we will continually be adding more content to it, and that is MarketGodx². It looks like MarketGodx². That is personally a pain in the butt to type out, so MarketGodx², just feel free to reference it as such. The point of this video is to show you the ropes of MarketGodx². And kind of why things are the way they are. At the end of the day, it's all about bringing home more money, and that's what we aim to do here. So once you get to your chart on TradingView, to add the indicator to your chart, you simply go to the indicator and strategies option on the top of the chart. You're going to click in, and then as you can see, I'm already down on the invite only scripts. Many of you may not be familiar with this, but TradingView will enable this for people who have private indicators option to them. So if you have access, you will have this down here. Click down to invite only, and you'll see everything you have access to. Now, let's say you don't see that yet. You can always just go into the public library and type in MarketGodx. And as you can see, there's multiple options here on what to choose. Here's everything I've got internally. You'll probably only see this stuff here. But yeah, so what you're going to want to do is add MarketGodx for TradingView. That's MarketGodx², the indicator. And then if you want to do the backtest strategy, for those who want to do a little bit more with it and kind of see the results, I've also got that in